and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a special coconut chutney that goes very well with South Indian breakfast recipes such as dosa, idli, uttapam, etc. So let's see the ingredients what are needed for that. 1 cup of shredded or grated coconut, a tablespoon each of lentils such as chana dal and urad dal, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 3 to 4 dry red chilies. You may use green chilies instead. A half-inch piece of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, that's optional, few curry leaves, and a small piece of tamarind. This is also optional. You can add tamarind to the chutney when you are using a batter that is not fermented. To prepare the chutney, first we have to roast few of the ingredients. For that I have here 2 tablespoons of oil heating up in a small pan. So when the oil heats up, we'll add the lentils and the peanuts or groundnuts. So we'll roast these until the lentils get a light golden brown color. So the peanuts would have also been roasted by that time. Alright, the lentils have got a light golden brown color. So now, and the peanuts have also been roasted. So now we'll add the ginger and garlic which I've cut into small pieces and fry them for a minute. Next I'll add the red chilies. Just break them into half and add it. And roast them for a few seconds. Finally, we'll switch off the stove and add the curry leaves. So now we'll let this mixture cool down a bit before we grind the chutney. So now it's time to grind the chutney. I have taken the coconut into a blending jar. Also we'll add the roasted ingredients. We will drain out the excess oil. No need to add that. And also add the tamarind and some salt to taste. You may even add green chilies at this point for additional heat. So we'll blend this into a chutney by adding a little water. So this is how the chutney looks now. I have added around 1.5 cups of water. It is a little thin. You may add as much water depending on the consistency you want. So you can serve this chutney as such. You may give it an oil tempering. That makes it more flavorful. So let's see how to do it. So this is the remaining oil from the roasted ingredients. It is around a tablespoon. The hot oil will add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter, and 2 dry red chilies, and just roast them for a few seconds. So now we'll switch off the stove and add few curry leaves. So we'll add this tempering onto the chutney. The chutney is smelling even more amazing now. Moreover, the oil had all the flavor from the roasted ingredients. Hope you liked my recipe for special coconut chutney. It's special because all the ingredients except the coconut were roasted in oil. It gives a very nice flavor. Moreover, if you don't like the raw taste of the ingredients, you can make the chutney in this way. Serve it with dosa, idli, uttapam. And if you liked it, please hit the like button. You may also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box below. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.